Hi all. Today I'm going to showcase how to create bullet chart in Tableau. So you can see we have bullet graph. So the minimum requirement to create a bullet graph is two measures. Basically, you can double click to create a bullet graph. So we have a couple of measures by default. One of the measure comes under x-axis and y-axis. But just click on this. Basically, this is a scatter plotted chart, but just click on bullet graphs. Default, you can able to see the average of sales, right? So this is the total sales and this is the total profit. So let's increase the size, or let's go back. Let's drag and drop one of the dimension. I'll showcase the differentiation here. Just drag and drop, let's say, region into rows, and let's go back to entire view. Basically, if you can see here, this is the sales for central and this is total profit. So you can see when you mouse over, you can see profit and sales. So what I mean to say is, like, we have sales and profit. Something like this is what the actual sales and this is what achieved, or what we call as uh, profit information. So something you can compare, like target versus actual kind of an information. But let's consider we have sales and this is the profit. But my intention is I want to check how much percentage. So we got the profit. So in terms of sales, right? So this is 100 out of 100 percentage. At least I'm expecting like 20 percentage of the profit when you compare with sales information, correct? So let's right click on the axis. We have an option called as edit reference line. We have average of sales, which we are showing that in a line here, which is the total sales. And you can go back to this average of sales percentage. Click on this drop down. It clearly shows that 60 and 80 percentage. So this is 60 percentage, which is gray color, and bit banding color, right? You can see light gray color, which is 80 percentage here. So you can right click, edit reference lines. You can also change the color, and instead of going for 60, 80, let me use, at least like I'm just checking, 20 percentage of the sales should be profit. Okay, so I'm expecting 20 percentage of the sales uh, should be should get a profit, but 20 percentage of the sales is more than 100k. Here we are getting only like 40k, near to 40k. So in any of the region, it's not touched even. We need to check on that whether it is touched 10 percentage or not, right? So, but it's not touched even 20 percentage of the sales. So just right click on this, edit reference line. So let's go for 10 percentage. So we have an option. You can go for 10 percentage, 20, 30. Okay, let's use 10, 20, 30 percentages. And you are getting some banding colors or diverging color. So the first one is 10 percentage, and this is 20, and this is 30. So my expectation is at least should reach 10 percentage, but for central, even it's not touched 10 percentage of the sales, right? The profit value is 39k, close to 40k, and this is 50k. Let's come back to east. This is at least good. It's crossed 10 percentage of the sales, and it is close to like 20 percentage of the sales. Okay, so sorry, here. So this is 20 percentage of the sales, and here also it crossed 10 percentage, and here it is 20, this is 30. So you can just compare how much percentage it crossed and at what uh, level or kind of a band it comes under, right? So that's the interesting part about bullet graph. Interestingly, these options, right, the percentages, so if you want to prefer like 40, 50 percentage range, those banding colors, yes, this is one of the interesting part where you can use some banding colors for that specific range of values. Out of 100 percentage, you can check how much profit we got when you compare sales in terms of percentages. Right, so that's the advantage of bullet graph, something like a target versus achieved sales. But this is one of the interesting option called as edit reference line, and you can check the percentage here. Okay, that is one important point. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe for more videos.